to remixing the language. So on my part, I speak the Ga-Dangme, and so I believe the difference is not that much. We can all do that. All right. So none of our page or can say how to develop a website. I believe that before.
Not at all.
Hello. Okay. So I can say how to develop a website. I want to bring down what our website or the manager website. We've seen a website before. We visited one before. And here in the website below. But first of all, let's take it this week. Let's take it this week. Can we do an introduction? Echo or who you are, your background. Yeah, just something simple. Your background in tech, if any.
That's nice.
And then all right, go okay. On that stop video. Can we do some introduction, a brief one? You are muted. You are muted.
Yes, please. Please. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, iko ke August Kumado EJ Somanya.
Okay. Any tech background, bro?
You okay?
Tech background. Any tech background at all?
Oh, that be like just a little bit of computer literacy, but not into that much tech.
Okay. All right.
Yes.
All right. Okay. Yeah, Paul.
Okay, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah, if we watch Paul Doughty, EJ Somanya.
Wow. Okay. On a tech background.
Oh, there be basic one opening.
Basic as in
basic ICT.
Oh, okay. 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 All right. All right. Gabriel near Mashti. Software engineer again.
Okay.
But I love teaching. Thanks for teaching a while, especially teaching the kids. Because growing up, there was the passion, but our setting, our parents, they don't understand those things. They don't know, and so although to come in the traits or with a passion, but the direction is not there. And so it took me a long time to get into that. And so I realized that no, we need to help the kids because look your aliole better. Local yeah, because there are other things never distracting. But and so I took it upon myself. And so in IPDH Netroni, where we do a lot of coding education. As we are speaking now, in the pure online class school, pure in start today's class, like videos of any channel. Sometimes we also go out to communities to do that. And I love doing it. I love doing it because nene wo we don't want the kids coming up to lose it. Neke parents dimo ne ongeshika point obihi ne okay tech hello digital education here with you are wasting your money. Like, you know, I have to be frank. You are wasting your money totally. Wo wa bi omile wa na no wa na mo bi onu wa here ke oneno ko onge beno blo ne e ba wo mo kan. Say you go mene. They are now coming. And so if you don't add those things, you are wasting their lives. They will be useless in future. So it's very important. Now, many web design. So web design basically is designing a website. And website basically puts information on the internet. We want to go by school. That is what it is. So you go online, you want to search for something. The first place that you go is a website. Okay, before you can get that information you want, it has to be on a website. Because KB website or then it's not available. And so most of the things we do, online, they are sometimes, if it's an app, it's a web app. But if it's it's a website, Facebook website. But because the we use other devices, they access those things. Sometimes we feed them into apps so that they can run on phones and then other things. So they are website and they are used to display information. They could be over newspaper no can they? No news no say pure. You don't need it. You need to read newspaper to a little point. So that is where we are going. That is where we are now. And that is why it is very important we know some of these things. Training is a collaboration between my coding club, which is an organization I formed, and then Face-Of-Krobos. And we just want to give our people some few skills. This is going to be a boot camp, but I will try my best to give you something that's you can also use or build upon. And so that is how it's going to be. Now, all our videos will be uploaded on let me share my screen. Our videos will be uploaded on YouTube and then Facebook. So there is this site. Yeah, this is the logo for or the flyer for the training. Go your Facebook, no search for my coding club. My coding club. Yeah, it's there. Let me put it in that. So you can all join. You can go to Facebook, search for it and join. And then more videos and then other activities, know what you all they will be posted there. Even the YouTube, if you go to YouTube, you search for the same coding.
Hey, get out. Get out.
Madam, kindly mute yourself for us.
Yes, sir.
Open Momeka and disturb you, or just
Yes, sir.
enroll them in one of our programs.
Thank you.
Stop disturbing me. All right, so can I bring a deal? Let me just see if I can copy.
Okay.
I'm coming. I'll copy the link and then share it.
Okay.
Okay, link on a chat on me. When you click on it, it will just take you there. And we'll be sharing
Okay.
so many things there. When you go, Facebook, YouTube, my coding club on YouTube. And so you go there. What videos on me? You don't know about videos on me. Try about uploading a YouTube. My coding club. So it's very important that you go there, follow us, you watch the videos for a recap, and then you also spread the news. You know, when you know pay such things more often. Now, website something like this. This is a website. There are quite a number of them. Now, I used to technology creating or what we call program languages. Now, computer has its own language. They understand of. And so if you want to put a picture, how do you do it? How do you tell the computer, I want to put this picture on the internet? Okay. So there are ways, there are languages we use to communicate with the computer. Whatever programming languages. And every language can appear. So many things. But they are limited to what they do. They are very specific. And so that is how it is. Okay, so Nehama cannot poem. Zoom will go off every 40 minutes. So we'll have two of those sessions. Okay, first one off, I will quickly restart it. Then you join.
Okay.
Then when the second one goes off, then we end the class. So 40 minutes too will be I think 1 hour 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
All right. Okay. More than that, I think larger working. So it's very important that we join the class early,
Okay.
and then we do we start the class early. All right. So one basic way to create a website, I use these languages.
Yes.
So when we tell HTML, HTML and CSS. HTML and CSS. So the basic language, architecture websites. Before any website, any website in online, there is this three things behind it: HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Then appear on it. So HTML is like the skeleton. HTML. So website, the whole website is like human body. You can be number 2 or more. So HTML, the skeleton. This is it. CSS or they can look at flesh, look at styling, style or website. Then JavaScript brings the functionalities. The blood that flows through. You lay the foundation. I use HTML, I lay foundation. Then then cook Obama doors, because without the doors and the other things is not complete. Is not complete. But then cook Oba fix doors, windows, other things, painting, no never hane yale no konyesu you na tun we or for. Then cook hunya lighting, fan, TV, those things brings the functionalities. That is how a website works. But our focus be HTML, CSS, JavaScript, nothing, because it involves a lot of coding. And madam busy coding will be a challenge for her. Abehane could cry. And so we will do something. There are other tools that we can use. And one of such tools is WordPress. Now, technology is not like a pure website or here. And the website is online or here. But WordPress, nyaki, and here market share, 40% market share. Let your websites now use WordPress, the creator, I hear. Now, other ones of me, agba, none pure. And so, or I use WordPress. WordPress WordPress is a content management system. Drag and drop, or drag and drop. Ingela na make no to here for black ya for the job. Ingela na make no to here for black no ya for here. Ingela make no to here for black no ya for here. Cook benya we are no friend no dark. Okay, just you launch it. That is how it works. It's quite simple. No obey too much code. You are a bit safe from there, but then you have to understand the concept, what goes into it, because DNA header, what is header? Okay, we have 10 minutes for the first session to end. Kake header, what is header? Kake footer, what is footer? J footer buyer, J hero section buyer, J main section buyer, J body buyer. Ona, J navigation, which are the eyes of the website. You have to understand all those things. As we go on, we will be looking at them. Now, so first, let's register a WordPress account. So I believe we all have our computers with us. Hello, we are connecting on phones.
We are connecting on, some of us are connecting on phones.
Which will be very bad. We need a computers. Because you need a computer to learn web development. Okay, they are on phone. How many people?
Amy Paul one.
Manye. Hello, Augustine. Are you on phone or with a computer? Hello, Augustine. Augustine, can you hear me? Manyonga Enulo. The only lady among us. Manyan from Enulo. Hello, Georgina.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Enulo. Yes, are you connecting with a computer?
Yes, I have a computer, but currently I'm using my phone.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Okay, so we all need the computers, okay? It's an
Okay.
time we come to class, we should connect with the computer. So that's
all right.
Because I don't want the situation there. I'll just come and talk and go.
Without practice.
Yes.
Yeah.
So I have to know what is going on. We are doing the right thing or not.
Yeah.
That we we learn by practicing. Tech can say a lot of practice, because you cannot do without practicing. So that is how. What do we do now?
Okay. Hello,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
I I have the laptop, but
your network is very bad.
way.
Your network is very bad.
Zoom app on Lulu.
Oh, install with Zoom Apple.
Lulu.
Yeah. So it's an open no install
This
Zoom Apple.
network.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
The network is very bad. Yeah. In a computer, but install Zoom Apple.
Yeah. Let's not try no install. You know. Okay. Paul, what of you?
Within the week or my laptop. Okay.
Oh, okay. Because it's very necessary. All right. So let's look at WordPress sites. Okay. Where sites are coming in like a WordPress creates. So on a cover here, there are a lot of sites here. So WordPress.com, BBC America, a lot of them. We can get into some of them. So let's look at this one, how it looks. Okay, let's go to 13 this particular. How can you use? So websites go can get WordPress now the creates. Websites go can get I use WordPress. Even Coca-Cola, Almighty Coca-Cola website, WordPress. Even WordPress and it creates WordPress. WordPress. So I believe that Time Magazine, WordPress, and I'm WordPress. And I believe that we visit a lot of websites. We don't know the technology behind it. Okay. Now, much in your code. So when you come here, go to inspect or view source page. What about view source page? Now, website or no are pure. Code, these are the code behind it. So now, website or medicine. Website, you are able to see the website online. Then already code on it. Now, HTML, CSS, use your. These are the things we are going to write. So HTML and CSS use your. But going a WordPress use your. And ake functionalities wohi kone mo okongma enorme even ko bangma kra very few say you should just sit down and drag something and put somewhere. So now that is how it is. Now more your websites in there, just sabi website in there, page your pet no one a year no this is the code behind it. The front page, no one it has about 1,186 lines of code. We cook this one like this, one line of code. We just saw 1,886 lines. It doesn't end there. Links, many people to our links. Go click it, come over here. Go click supports. You can buy another site. Another site or code. Before you finish creating something like this, you have about 1 million lines. Okay. Now, go your Facebook, your WhatsApp. One of them I use about 3 billion lines of code. That number of codes. And so it's a teamwork. Most of the time, it's a teamwork. No one pay here, no one pay here, no one pay here. Then they move on. That's how it is. No, it's very important. It's very important because now everything is moving online. Everything that you know is moving online. No, be online presence or you are losing out. You are losing out, and it is even better that you know how to create those things. You know how to create those things. It gives you an edge over other users. And so that is why it is important that we these things. And the store on it, well, first session of our end in less than a minute. That's why I'm stalling. When it end of, we come back and then we start creating the accounts. So Beyonce. All right, so welcome back. Leo, this is what we are going to learn how to do. Okay, so first of all, via via WordPress.com. Now WordPress so WordPress.com. Go by WordPress.com. Yeah, Rabbi. So don't go to the first one. It'll be Amazon. We want the real WordPress.com here. This one. HTTPS WordPress.com. Click on the link. Go by here. This is WordPress. A site again on it. Now, why WordPress.com? When WordPress.com useful because this one could create site or you'll be able to host it on their website. You'll be able to host it on their website. Now, go create website. You are creating the website on your computer. Our computer on a pen on a website you're creating it. For other people to see it all, it has to be hosted on a server. Before access website. Okay. After creating the website on your machine, if an OHE domain name, then you buy a space, a server space, a hosting space, then you host your website there. That is there. And so WordPress PRG, may I provide all those things. I provide all those things. So you host your website there. And two different ways. And WordPress.org, the WordPress.com. And behind why WordPress.org or BP. Because that one, it involves some installations. Like if you don't know how to do it, or it takes a lot of time. Sometimes things go haywire if you're a beginner like this. But WordPress.com, you just come in, create an account, log in, you can work with it. Then when you finish, if you want to host your site for free, me Abraham domain name, mo benye ba use o domain name. What domain name is the address to your website? Mo obenye ba ha me my address. Abraham mo address. Me Abraham address. Whatever they give you, you take it. Say pay. That one they are packages. No pay. Annually, monthly, daily, weekly. No pay. That one Abraham address. Money to decide the address. So you share the address with the people, and then they just click on it and they get into the site. WordPress.com, our website address name. Go by your website or WordPress.com address on it. And the website address. When we say web address or on it. Technically, I tell a URL, Uniform Resource Locator, URL. But What okay, address. So that is how it is. The cover here, oh now these are sample sites. WordPress.com. And so how do you get started? If you want to know the plans and everything, or your plans and pricing, go create website, you want to host it. Okay, on a free plan, then what it comes with, its package. On a personal, in its packages, $4 per month. Then on a premium, $8 per month. On a business, $35 per month. Then commerce, $45 per month. Eco fair kung packages, then you get from it. So we will be using the free one, of course. We'll be using the free one. And so on that time, can come here, you'll get teams and parties, unlimited pages, unlimited users, time machine for post edits, built-in newsletter, brute force protection, smart redirects, online forever, and 10% commission for plugins, and then all those kind of things. So they are out there. So what we will do, none of our pages, we just create our accounts and then we start creating. So let's get started. So you come here, get started. Then we'll click on get started. So then it brings you here. Here you need to create an account. So you are going to create an account. Now, here, if you are on a machine, yeah, I believe phone, you can use phone, but just that at this point, phone of app is small. And so sometimes working around it will be a bit difficult, especially at the beginning at Jimo. But go now, screen at book, look no through it's kind of better. But I can use phone to create this because I know what goes behind it. Now, every website, every website in our creator, it has to be responsive. Responsive, Shishidi. Previously, a computer pet like a brewer website. If I'm not lying. Computer pet, probably website, computer pet. One like a phone, brewer website. Like a TV, brewer website. Tablets, like a brewer website. Like a laptop, then desktop. Then the sizes are different. The screen sizes are different. So now, if I create website or any all these devices now no by use or any type of these devices or website or any without losing the content and the layout. No, okay, a website needs to be responsive. So responsive website. This is what they mean. So my create account. So I come here, you can click continue with Google. If you have Apple account, whatever, other accounts you can then use, but I use Google, so I'll just click on it. And it's easy on Chrome because we'll log in with your Google account. Then you come here, this is my email address or my Google account. So then I'll just click on it. And I can click on it can be Baba here. Okay, click on me bar. Then I have to choose my domain name. Domain. Now, over on the website, this.com, in the .org, this and that .net, this and that .biz, .gh, .edu, .this. Nomenature domain names on it. Nomenature domain names on it. And so we'll look at this. So in our pay your domain. So my type website or name. Any kind of project or hand. So let's say I want to do face of Krobos. Okay. Krobos. Check your WordPress by generates domain name or Kehami. About generate echo kehami. Now, Face-Of-Krobos, nane, Face-Of-Krobos.blog recommended. Inge recommended my use, Face-Of-Krobos.blog. But, free for first year. First year is free. But subsequent years, you have to pay $4, which means, it's a paid version. It's a paid domain. I have to input my credit card or Visa card details so that after first year I need use free one or that. Then they will deduct it from me. Okay, they will deduct it from my account. If you don't want to use that, then they give you another one, Face-Of-Krobos.com. That one is also there, the best alternative. But no more free for the first annually, you have to pay $12 a year. Then free cry, absolutely free. You don't want to pay anything. Because Face-Of-Krobos.wordpress.com. Because then this one on what it means is they will host it on their site, on their server. And so address okay, man, no about that. So Obenye Bana address they will add their WordPress, so it will be on WordPressserver.com. So in limitations. But that is what we want to use for now, for this class, for the purposes of this class. So we'll use that. So what I will just do is to click on select. Okay, when I click on select, what will happen is then I'll come here. So the domain is free. I have one domain and then it's free. So then I'll click on continue. Yeah, click on continue. Maybe you've changed your mind. You want to do you want to change your mind and then go with a page plan. But in here we are ready to do that now. So still we'll go with the free. So we'll start with free. Then take over here. What are your goals? What are your goals? Why are you creating the website? Many on the website you're creating. What do you hope to achieve? Many website are happy. Many website are happy. So you come. So I'm article could publish, we have promote or a business. Hello, we are import existing website content. Hello, we are joining online, like e-commerce, online shops of it. Then get a website built quickly. That is a premium. This is a premium. If you are doing that, they will build a website for you. You just pay. Then other, okay. If you say other, now, select let's say you want to write and publish templates in that field. About structure or teams or in that field. Go select the same way, but you can select everything here if you so wish. That is how it is. Now, be sure you are not sure of what you are doing. As what we are doing now, we are now just learning, so we are not sure of exactly what we are doing. Only one I can say. So we just want to know our way around it. Then what we will do is, we will not choose anything. So we just go to continue. Then when we go to continue, Ehamo designs, because you didn't define what you want to do. And so Ehamo designs or choose something from it. Now, let's say Face-Of-Krobos. What is it? Managing Face-Of-Krobos. What is it about? So, it's about an association, a club, or so something like a group. No, if you want to create a site, what will you do? How would the site look like? No matter, you have to take all those things into consideration. Because when you come here, no can gardening, and the kicker, and then no can tech, and then no can tourism, allow travel and tour, something like that. Business, real estate, yeah, and then like traveling, okay, and then for health, that's how the things are. Okay, so many say no mohu unone. So when you come here, we have blog, folio, store, art and design, about health and wellness, link in bio, authors, writers, all sort of things. Let's just assume our own a blog. Now, so if you say it's a blog, then you choose a blog template. So let's say it's a blog, then Abraham blog. Now, what is a blog site? Blog site is just about information. It just gives out information. Just gives out information. So blogging. Ameyawdebra.com. It's a blogger. I believe one blogger. Someone is a blogger. This is what they do. They write content online. Online, take a picture box I look a video box. Then we go and read about it. Then they make money out of it. So that is blogging. Then apart from that, you have the business and the likes. Yeah. So that is how it is. So you can choose any of these things and then customize. So now, choose and customize. We'll be doing all those things. So when I set up for you. So when I set up for you for now. So this are the Echo Emi Insun hello Insun yeah Insun Nini. So I want to talk about food recipes. They are all blogging. So I create a website where I put a picture. You can name your master in your picture. So now, think of functionality. Alone in your video how to prepare the food. Video can get functionality. You can recipe your track and watch. People will go there and learn. Now, the more traffic, more than a site of visit you. The more you get adverts. The adverts, those kind of things, no nigga bad. So those content creators, this is how they so it's an create content or ne attract traffic. Then traffic attract you. So a lot of people go here. So let me go and do my marketing. You see that they come and advertise their products there. No man can escape. Size to me. I'm gonna pay because they are driving traffic for them. Because before adverts online, you have to pay. You can pay on about now. You can create content or then get traffic of then they pay you percentage. No hane obana can pure no fan on the online and no go pay online can they pay living out of it. And it's where you make a lot of money out of it. Me, I don't have time for that. If you do it well, you make a lot of money out of it. Pure TikTok here, yo. The only way people want to blow fast, when this thing started, they took their time. Now pay a bob, and they are where they are now. But the youth of today, they are impatient. And so Obana no go case to online naked. Just because in a land in that traffic or fast, very fast. Yeah, so we know Obana. Yeah, and so that is what is happening. And so that is that. But if you don't want to go with any of this, if you don't want no create Momo, Nemo Oba customize you create your own design. You want to create your own design, then you click on create your own design. When you click on create your own design, it will bring you here. When it brings you here, it's very important. Obana can go in your yemlo. Go here. Obana icons coming here. Now one is laptop, one is tablets, and then one is mobile phone. Okay, on a website create your. This is how you should be mindful of all this. How the website will look on these 3 devices. Okay, website on these 3 devices. Enormous. You should be mindful of them. Connect and design your own testing. Because can here mobile phone if an access a website. Then here tablet or access a website. Then here laptop if an access a website. But code design access website or on maybe just one of these devices. Blair a chunk make you saw those devices or you are losing them. Because you access your fights. And that is no good. So you make sure you design for everybody. Now, websites. What are the components of a website? Okay. What are the components of a website? Every website is a header. Every website is a header. On a body, so the foot. The website, or we call it the header, the body, and the footer. Now, those things. For your website or in the header on a navigation, or other pages of the website. Because for your website for links can no click or click and a topo one line up topo. We call them navigation links. Check over main body. Normally I divide like sections. And so it depends on what you are doing. No longer pay on about how many sections check over footer. Footer and about here other informations header. Then you put them there. Allow links. Header. Check you put them there. We just say we want to design our own website. So we come here. Check about here. When I got some links go here. One a header, one a intro, one a about, one a services, one a store, one a quotes, blog posts, then one a newsletter, gallery, contacts, make sure the footer. All these are important in a website, in the setup of a website. So let's look at header. Now, when I click header, Momo, and so in the header designs, then here, now I choose different designs, a lot of them. I choose look header, then a hero section with navigation on it. Look also navigation here. So these are different styles of navigation. Think of a site or no, you will see how it looks. So let's say allo in the buyer. So what drag and drop. You drag it and then we drop it. Allow you double click. So now, peut-être, il va faire le don. Faut double click, il va faire le don. So now, that is how your header looks like. This is the type of header you want. And why you can on a tablet, so you click tablets. Then mobile phone. So on a mobile, this is how it will look like. So we go back. Now, what do we need? What do we need? Again, what do we need? What about intro? Now, every website, come and create your Cobri website or no. First page, Onando Kone top or after this navigation. Onando Kone, it tells you about the website or the product. Straightforward. It's an humble. The informations are very few, but it speaks a lot about the web. And so that one is also important. Then okay. So what are we doing? Echo local with tests and then a cover with tests and then a call to action. So we want this one. What we'll just do is double click on it. Okay, so another double, we just delete one. So now, take a code double click on nene or nane. In which way you can edit it. Okay, so what paste structure first? When we get a structure, then we come back to edit it. This is the cover section. So go by our website, or this is what you get first. Now, how does it look on the mobile? So we click on mobile. Now, this is how it will look on a mobile. Tablets. They never paying a tablet. They come back to a normal one, which is laptop or computer. Depending on follow, are you following? Follow.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. All right, good. So we are here. Now, the next thing, the next session is maybe you want to talk about yourself or about the website. Echo allow the product. Mainly it's about the company that is selling the thing. Okay, if you are selling or putting out there. So we're now cover. The cover no, it must be very attractive because whether the person will stay on your site, allow it might go off. It depends on this section. Okay, this section will do the magic for you. Because go blue site or Obana here navigation bar. This section. Any other section be show. Okay, so you see this section. Okay, no, it's not good. It will put the person off quickly. Nobody will site okay. But if it's good, no, if I scroll down, many other content no site or no look. And so if you don't get this part right, then it means you lose traffic. So it's very important. Yeah, very, very important. No, your code no. Then pure about us. So we can come here, we click on about us. Now, many why choose us? Is it about the content will determine in a 3-column section, on a 2 columns, okay. Then one come in image and then another thing. So my use it no because I use program as I got this one. Okay, so when a site or video, if you notice you when a site or video. So our vision, then everything. What edit later? What change images of it to match? Then what colors and everything. So after that, our vision. what do we want to add? Maybe we'll provide these services school. We'll provide these services school. We want the public to know. So we can bring that one to inside. Okay. Then something that has pricing. Okay. We're doing anyone a gallery, we can do this. We just bring it. Or so the patterns are there. So let's say what we have here. Okay, let's use as our services. So we click on this one and it will be added. Okay, then what I do any what to allow and so what a foot up here because our time we have 10 minutes to go. So what we will do is contacts. How would the person get in touch with us? So we come to contacts. Okay. We come to contacts and then we look at the contacts. Maybe form, map, hello, whatever. Okay. So there are so wabanye wako anything as our contact. So now you go to sites, you fill in these forms. Ingonyalo. Meneke. A site
Oh yes.
It has to fill all these forms. So they are there.
Yes.
Yeah. If you go about your footer, then about choose footer, then they will carry other information. So why header is seductive. So when they want to choose a footer, okay, so let's go with something like this that has now we'll create websites. This is a website. We'll create website on a tablet. This is how it looks like. Okay, this is how it looks like on the tablets. So this is a website. We created the websites. Then on food, probably with food. This is how it looks like. Probably with food on. This is how we are going to see it. Okay. So our layouts, our bomodi, one our layouts, what benya. So do we want to keep them? Yes, we want to keep them. So by here, select styles. Then you click on it. Over here, style on it, on our colors on it. What do we want? So we just save and check a font. Okay. But we can do them later. Or if you want to do it here, then the fonts, test on my website or no. How do you want them to be like? So now, they are also very important. So let's say we want to go to the Montserrat. So the main heading, right? And the paragraphs, the sub text will have the then we say save and continue. So I can save and continue. Then we come here. And so our stars are here again. These are the stars we have. Whether we want to get premium, we don't want to get premium, we will decide later. Well, start adding content. And if you can start adding content, if I believe or edit. So then it brings you here. You come to the dashboard. So, dashboard on it with all design we can offer no. If I bring it here, no banye, put check the colors, put check the pictures of it, or edit on that. So this is how it looks like. Now we want to edit on that. If you want to edit here, then you come here and let's say we want to edit this one. So we click on edits. Wangala check the site title. Okay. So I'll check the site title. So our title was Face-Of-Krobos. like this. No, there was title on it. On a home about contacts. And logo no here. So what be here? Then we come down. We save. Okay. Go page changes or save. As if something happens, you lose it. So then we are done with this one. Where are the rests? So we are done with this one. If you want to start the project, let's say okay, yeah. So we come back and this is what we have. Now, if we want to edit this one too, okay. On a hover, if hover, square box ko bahi. Content on me ko hover box ko bahi. It tells you content and content. So over editor. You just hover on it, you click on it, and you can change it. So Face-Of-Krobos. Face-Of-Krobos, what do we stand for? Krobos, what do you stand for?
Okay, we stand to display our culture and identity.
Okay, so
Cultural identity.
okay, so display of a rich culture.
Okay.
And something like this. So now,
okay.
Then
Okay.
okay, over here. Some small notes go here. Then we put something there. Then this the button. So I can learn more. We click on it. It will take us to another section of the page or the next section of the page. Okay. Even this, you can do a lot of changes to it. Okay. When you check fonts, the colors, and everything. But we take them one by one. We have just 2 minutes to go. And we come to our vision. So we can keep the vision, but then we want to write something. What do we stand for? Okay. What do we stand for? That's 1, 2. We can just so we'll just from let me say we want to say bringing indigenous of Kroboland
and the diaspora.
Kroboland and one umbrella to foster unity and development sometimes development of what's happening near one go.
Bringing indigenous of Krobolans under one umbrella to foster unity and development of the Krobo community.
Okay. Of the Krobo community. Yes. So something like this. It could seem very simple. You put it there. Then learn more. Can you click on this one? Or create another site. Maybe I get more and more information on this. Okay. What is it? Then you bring a picture, an image or something here. Okay. Then you come here, services, what you do. You can edit.
Say audio is off.
All this way, sorry. No, your code no save, no view, visit site, or your visit site or site or this is how people will see it on the internet. Oh, no. This is how people will see your sites. You know, on the internet, or this is how they are going to see it. Oh, no. Now, no yene you are okay with it. Then we launch site or we click on launch sites. Go click on launch sites. If I launch site or Hamo. So you launch site and then you wait for it. It can over back echo. Many domain on no use. Come over back. Let's see. Our first domain. Okay, so this is what we selected. Okay. No, we don't want to buy anything. So we'll skip purchase. I'll skip purchase. Then Bye free. Keep this plan. No site on it. Oh, dashboard. This is your dashboard. So from here, you can control the website, everything. Pure go-to processing. So 2 out of 7. You can control whatever happens here. If you want to edit a site, you click on edit. You need to change something. Over edit. Then other tools near here for adding other functionalities to the site. Okay. We your Koba and I most suggest you can get this domain. Okay, Face-Of-Krobos.com, but you have to pay. Okay, so we don't want that. Then other things. Not pay again, you should buy. Okay, so if you still don't want to do it, customize your domain. Still call your customers, they will say buy. So let's look at it. Customize your domain. It's one of the steps we have to go through. So that is it. We come here, we say, well, no, we don't want to buy. Where is it? We on it. On a over here, I just free on here. I just free on here. So, about but J Oyanoyana os.rip Ga-Dangme. They are not there. Face-Of-Krobos.pizza or pizza. So .org. This why you have to pay $12 straight up. All then so me aje ano ngelijon. Now nene baba ne e baba le janji. Eko wa use template ko. Ne it's not free. It's not free. So they have to recover that money. I no use that thing for free. And so you have to still get to pay. Now go enter end of it, then you enter your details. So then I come over here, email address, password, and you purchase. So let's say we want to skip. Let's say we want to skip this one. Take over here. Here over here, your order 1 year, but the order will not go for 1 year. So, but what it means is you have to enter your payment details here. Or card, no longer use a Visa card and everything. So, okay, time also they will just deduct it by themselves. If you are able to go through all this, then because your course, if you don't enter this, you won't go to the next process. Okay. So if you are able to go through all this then your website will go live. So now the website will go live. Then you can share it with people. And so by the end of the program, will contribute to host one website, At least go pay $4. No, okay, put one website online. I think it will be an achievement. All right. Yeah, so Baba end the Monday class over here. Any question for me? Any question?
Yes.
A
question, Ojo. With this one, I use HTML, CSS, Java, Udome. Kama pekane no kumanyima hack system check.
Every digital system, every technology can be hacked. Say, WordPress here, they secure your system for you. Make paid ones or more. Ahamo security. Let me quickly my command plans on Melo. Let me come here. WordPress home. If you can check plans or make a chonyo. Under every plano. The contents no bana ngalijon. Come here. Let me come here first. Oh yeah. Oh. Yes. What's the cool? Let's look at the plans. Go check plans on it. How will I get this thing? I'm not by your camera. every package no about here and a benefits and a benefits. And so obana all security features really John. And so WordPress is secured because nothing provide the hammer. They provide you with that security. And so it's sometimes it's secured. That's the word. It's secured. But nothing can be hacked. Can be hacked.
Okay.
But some are difficult to hack than others. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. So any other question? All right. So then to end today's class here, the video will be uploaded on our YouTube page, my coding club, and I share a link into the I don't want to share the link there because those of us who are serious are the ones here. Major, then come a link or share many commitments no pay in the whole thing.
Oh, okay.
But if you want us to share it there, we can do that.
Oh, well, I think you can decide, or you can just teach us the site's name and then we can just go there
Yeah,
and watch.
go yeah,
if that is
YouTube, my coding club. My coding club.
my
My coding club. Hello, Facebook. My coding club. My coding club like this.
okay.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. So
Okay.
then we also so maybe I'll share it. So we share and then now Legimo who will upload all other trainings, especially Jukoria coding, Alana Cafe coding and all those kind of things.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
That is it. So what we also do is on our schools as one actual coding. Actually become a coding eligible. We go there, we teach them. And so keep mono okay school from a link. If they like, we just come there, we introduce the program there, and that is it. So
Okay, say.
yes.
No go link mo school ko ne actually meji cost of.
What we do is work a school about history. We look at their strength, what they can afford. What they can afford. So the one we do, the normal one is echo case school, the whole school. The whole school they pay off. Then it's 5 series per child per session.
Okay.
Per session.
Okay.
Now every week or one session. One session.
Okay.
They go for then it means a month or every child is paying 20 cedis.
Okay.
Every child is paying 20 cedis. But if it's a club, schools and clubs, and a music club, and this club, and a coding club, and a rayo. It depends on the number. So the number should be 10 and above.
Okay.
10 and above. And that one, a child is 100 cedis.
Okay.
Yeah, 100 cedis per child. Yeah.
Okay.
So that is how it's done.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All right. You're welcome. So when again can we meet? So okay, so then next week Sunday. But it means Sahamicho. Yeah. It means Sahamicho.
Wednesday.
Wednesday, really? Okay, so let's see. We shall communicate in the group.
Okay.
We shall communicate in the group. All right. Thank you
Okay,
very
sir.
much for coming. And I will see
Thank
you
you, sir.
at the next meeting. Bye-bye.
Yes, please. Thank
Bye-bye.
you too. If we'll try some on our own. So if there is any
Yes.
challenges, we'll reach out to you.
Yes, do that. Please do.
Thank you very much.